catch Freddy. This independent pup prefers to find his own fun, which means Big Sister Libby is once again afraid her wandering brother is wandering too far. She tries to keep an eye on him, but Freddy doesn't look back. He spotted something new and can't resist investigating the magical stuff inside.
Nui đang cái nhãn nha.
But before he knows it, Freddy's in over his head. Perhaps this independent thinker should have thought this one through.
Nui mày ăn giỏi quá ta.
Finds his way back to the room. And Big Sister Libby's glad to see her brother's back where he belongs. At least for now.
It's quite a big change from last time you've seen it. I think it was in the same place with my house, if you don't know. And then the skinny pigs have swapped places with the gerbils. The gerbils are still in the same habitat, but the skinny pigs are in a new cage. I'm just going to go feed them because they're so hungry right now. There you go, there's your breakfast. I need to find a better way to do it.
Đây. Ăn gì đâu mà nhẹ nhàng từ tốn. Đây mẹ.